Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am slipping in this quick video before I pack for the retreat because I need to thank all of my members for May. And membership giveaway is Harbor Freight. But before you check out, if you're not a member, I also am doing the Amazon gift card giveaway for those who are not members who gave a comment in the video of the May member giveaway announcement. So first, I'm going to flip the camera around. We're going to do the wheel picker to see who won. If you are a member and you are an insider, you're going to get 1 Harbor Freight. If you're the winner and you are a VIP, you'll get 2. And if you're a winner and you're an elite, you're going to get 3 of these. If you are overseas, we will upgrade then to some sort of gift card. And you and I will talk behind the scenes on what that would look like, get the equivalent of what these 3 may cost, or 2 or 1. Okay, so let's spin you around and let's look at the wheel picker. And then as soon as we pick our membership thank you, I'm going to say thank you to my subscribers and give a $5 Amazon gift card away as well. So let me see if I can figure this out. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, so this is the group that were members in May. And if you see a name on here twice, it's because they also are members of my Patreon. So they get a double entry because they are giving in both ways. The difference in memberships, if you want to become a member, there's links down below in the description. If you are a member of my YouTube, then things go to the channel as well as giveaways. If you're a member for Patreon, that goes towards our adoption fund, but you do get all of the same YouTube fun goodies. Okay, so let's spin. Who is going to be our May giveaway person? The Diamond Lady! So Sharon, you have won. So I'm going to look up and see what level you are, and then I will be shipping this out to you when I get back from the retreat. So exciting. And so then I have this tab over here. What I did is I put the URL of the May announcement and filter duplicates, and there's 50 comments. So let's hit the start button and let's see who won the $5 Amazon gift card. The more comments, the higher the gift card, but we did not reach 250, so it's a $5 gift card. Here we go. Tina Wright! Congrats to all the winners. So Tina, you made a comment on the May announcement, so you win the $5 gift card to Amazon. I'm so excited you watched the video. Now on this video, if you are watching, if you make a comment on the video down below, the next time when I do my June thank you, I will also be doing a Amazon gift card giveaway for non-members. And if it's over 250 comments, it will go up to $10. If it's over 500 comments, it'll go up to $15, all the way up to $25 for every 250 increments of comments. So share the news. You do not have to be a member to win on my channel. I have not decided yet what the June giveaway is, but we will have a June thank you, and I will keep you posted. Again, I do try to upgrade the giveaways as based on your level. So I can't wait to see you guys. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll see you shortly. Bye-bye.